Hey everybody, I'm posting this on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to everybody. Thanks for everybody who's been watching my channel. I got a new keyboard and a new monitor for my PC, so that's really awesome. This video is going to be late, but I just want to let you guys know that just now, I did get a 2000 Robux C card, but I changed my name for the very last time. I will get a better profile picture soon, but I don't really care right now. It's not as big of a deal. You can see my character doing a dab emote, but I changed it to Corxify. I've been wanting to change it to that name for a while because I like it. I don't know, but enjoy the video of unboxing, crafting, inventory updates, etc. It's gonna be a good video. Just watch through and sub to Corxify now. All right, peace. Hey, what's good everybody? It's Vauzn. I am back the next day of recording. I recorded a video yesterday on auto-clicking hotkey strategy or whatever. You guys should go check that out. But today I'm doing a unboxing video for custom duels on two different accounts. I have like 40,000, I'm guessing, on Arch's account. But this account I have 50,000, so I'll be doing this account first. And hopefully we don't get garbage. So here's how it's gonna work. I did the math already. I'm gonna I'm not opening OG or Classic because I have most of the epics in this sword, and I have 3 Thunderbolts, so like that won't matter. I think the only thing I don't have is a Ghost Walker. I've had a Ghost Walker before, but right now I crafted it or something. But that won't matter. I have 50,000 coins, so I'm gonna open 30 winter cases. And that will leave me with 20,000 coins, and I will open 26 magical cases. And we'll think about what we're going to do with my other account after that. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for the support, and be sure to subscribe. Alright. Alright guys, hey everybody. I did not know they were gonna add a case, a New Year's case. So here's what I'm gonna do. I told you guys I had 40k on arches, but I only have about 20 to 30k. No, I just won, so I have about 40k. I think, yeah. So I'm gonna use, I'm gonna spend most of those on the New Year's case. And actually, yeah, I'm gonna spend most of them on the New Year's case, and I'm gonna spend whatever I have right now, 4k, on the New Year's case. They just added this case. Most likely get a common, cool neon colors, confetti. Happy New Year's 21. I want to get the sparkler. Fireworks looks decent. The Ruby Bomb. I'm not sure what the death effect on that's gonna be, but it looks exciting. And there's only 400. It's for a limited time, so I'm gonna be like grinding and just opening these, because my main account has, which is Vauzn, has all these swords, so I collect swords on this account mainly. My other account has some swords, but, yeah. Alright, 400, a case, let's start opening. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm on Arches. I'm gonna be opening 38k coins on this account. Alright, let's just get right to it. I'm not gonna say anything else. The question is, which cases? I didn't think this through. I don't really care about the swords on this account, but I guess I'll just do a time lapse of me opening the New Year's case. Alright, I'll just do a bunch of New Year's cases. Here's the time lapse. Alright, let's test out some of these new swords. First, I'm gonna do the big ones first, so... Alright, let's go back. Alright, Arches is. Keep forgetting I'm not Vauzn. Boogie Bomb. Yo, that's what it does! Bro, that's lit! That is freaking lit! That's sick. Yeah, that's right. Alright, the next one is fireworks. I have 2 of them. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's pretty cool, man. Alright, so I did not get the rare. I'll have to go back to my other account. The Happy New Year's 2011. We know that one's good. Confetti. I like that one. I like the confetti one a lot. And you guys know I'm not gonna do each neon, but each neon has the same effect. It's just a different color. It shows the blocks. Pretty cool. Alright, thanks, oh sins, for my... Alright, I'm gonna craft, some stuff. Alright. Let's see here. We got a lot of neons, bro. Look at this, freaking sick. Alright. I'm gonna craft 2 junk. I'm gonna keep 1 of each neon. Just cause. Maybe 2, I'm not sure. Let's see, did I craft any? I don't know if you can craft something from the New Year's case. That would be cool. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I crafted confetti. That's awesome. I wonder if you can still craft something from the the spooky case. Cause I'm not sure if you can, but cause that case is not a case no more. So I wonder, you know, that'd be cool. Gonna craft snowflake. I guess I'm just gonna keep the rest of this. Now I gotta do confettis. I'm gonna keep 1 of each, just cause I don't know. I like to. Not sure how like. Okay. Oh no, did I craft my last gamma? Oh, I don't know if that's good or not. Alright. I can get them again, doesn't matter. Okay. Then we got the rares. Now let me see. Did I craft any I wanna see if I crafted anything from the I don't know if you can do it for spooky, but alright, rares, cotton candy, cards. I crafted another fireworks. That's just lit, man. I'm gonna keep those. Alright, so that's all the crafting on this account. Pretty lit. Yeah. So I'm gonna quickly do the inventory on this account, which is I got how do you fucking pronounce it? Bab helmet, hearth, golden sleigh, harbinger, boogie bomb, icicle, dark heart, white hot, ginger blade, 3 fireworks, shining star, firebrand, king of cards, cotton candy, frostbite, the New Year's 2021, confetti. You guys can see the rest of the 3 snowflakes. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go on my other account so you guys can see. Alright guys, let me just do the rare, which is the 20, what is it called? It's called the 2021 Sparkler. Let's just see the effect on it. I already know what it is, but it has that like cool sparkle like light on it. And it's a very thin sword. I like it. And with the skinny like avatar, I just died. To get one more kill like that. That's kind of a trail too. All right, let's go to the crafting. Or yeah, crafting and inventory. Okay. Craft a bunch of these. Craft a bunch of these. Bunch of magic ones. I don't have any pink on this account. Oh, I do have a storm sword. That's cool. Alright. A bunch of uncommons. Oh, I crafted the plasma sword. Wasn't that from the... What's it called? No, that was from the... Let me see. God, that's just from the OG, man. Got excited. Is that all the uncommons? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the rares. I'm gonna do this one. I don't like it anymore. Yeah, just play out. I can craft a legendary, but I highly doubt it. With a lot of epics. I have a lot of the same epics, so like, if I do 3 Lingon swords, if I do duplicates, 2 of those, I need 2 more. A bunch of ginger so that's good. I can craft a boogie bomb. That's it. That's how you get everything. That's how you get all the all the legendaries on both accounts. Well, not all. No, my other account doesn't have all of them. But I got boogie bomb. I don't have any more duplicates, so that's all I'm gonna do. So my inventory is 3 thunderbolts, 2 harbingers, 5 hearths, skeleton dance, 2 battlements, okay, Bayless, swordsman, golden sleigh, boogie bomb, Jerko-yu, Terabray, Spirito. I need the other Terabray. Infinity sword, wind force, ginger blade, 3 of them, dark heart, 2 of them, wooden longsword, Illumina, white hot, purification. I have no idea where I got the lucky settings, but I think everybody has it. 3 shining stars, Candemonium, Infinity Sparkler. You guys can see the rest. They're not that exciting. Yeah, that's the video. I hope this was entertaining for everybody who watched. It's gonna be long, I think, if I edit it. Hopefully I do the time lapses right and everything else. Sub to Vauzn if you haven't already. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Have a great day, everybody.